Hello guys, today I will guide you how to log in darknet market step by step. Firstly, I must recommend VPN software because in my previous tutorial about how to connect I2P network, I got some feedback that some users got a connection error when trying to connect to the I2P network. So the most cause I think it is because of their VPN software. So if you get any connection issue when trying to connect to the Tor network, you may try the VPN software um, I recommend because I have been using it for years. There is no problem at all. So uh, the, this is the step to connect to the Tor network and log in the market. Firstly, let's check this vpn.org. You can try their service if you got any connection error. And firstly, uh, you need to connect to the VPN network at the first beginning for privacy concern. So let's start. This is a VPN client. Let's connect firstly. You can choose their server location from here. Okay, switch on. It shows the connection is working. So the next step is to download the Tor browser. Their website URL is this, and you can search the keyword Tor browser on the Google. If you think it's difficult to type this long URL. Okay, you see download page. You can download the Tor browser here and choose your favorite operation system. Okay, as I have installed the Tor browser, so I don't have to install it again. Uh, just just consider it. You have installed the Tor browser successfully. Then let's open the Tor browser. Connect. Okay, it connects successfully. The next step is to configure this. If you don't, you need to configure the browser to disable the JavaScript. If if you keep the JavaScript enabled, maybe the website will not work. Firstly, let's put this on the browser bar. Accept the risk and continue. And search the name JavaScript. This I have disabled it. By default, it is enabled by default. So you need to disable it. Just click this button. By default it is true. So just toggle it to false. Okay. Okay, it's done. The next step is to browse the market URL kingdommarket.so. kingdommarket.so. You will get the capture page firstly. The page is to prevent against the DDoS attacks. Okay, please identify the numbers from the smallest to the largest. Just from 1 to 9. Just choose the text correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let's refresh it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Call address to enter our market. Just click this link. It will redirect you to the market website. You see, market is this .only. So let's complete the capture again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we have opened the market successfully. If you are a new user, you can just click this sign up. This is a simple sign up page. You can sign up here. I may create another tutorial for how to sign up and use the market later. So let's just move to the next step. This is the recommended software. Firstly is the VPN software. Secondly, it's a software to create your private key. This software, keepass.com, it is software to create your password and keep your password secure. Let's just try have a look at their website. gpg4usb.org. gpg4usb.com. Oh, you have this force. org. Okay. This is their website, and there is a download button. You can download the software here. Okay, it's downloading now. Okay, the installation and the download is completed. Let's uncompress it. This is file. Just open it. Let's choose this English version. Next. Next. Finish. Okay. This software is to create your key, including your private key and public key, simply. Let's just have a test, and I will create another tutorial how to use it. Just have a look at its main features. Manage key, generate key. Okay, here is the screen to create your own key. Here, input your name, return for test, email, test, test, email, expiration date, choose never expire, password. You can choose your own password. Well, that's hold on. Let's just take this kpass.com. This is why I recommended this software, because it can generate a random password for you easily. So you can use it to generate password for GPG key. They can cooperate very seamlessly. First let's try this password.com, kpass.com. kpass.com. Click this button. Okay, you see this is a download page, and I recommend you to download this portable. It does not require to install on your computer. You can install it on your USB stick, something like that, and you can bring it anywhere. And this is for the Windows system. If you need to install on other system, you can choose these links. You see, contributed unofficial KPass ports for Android, for iPhone, for macOS, for BlackBerry, for Linux, and this for Debian. Every system is available. Okay, let's download to have a look. Okay, it's downloading now. The download is completed. Just unzip it. cannot be found. Okay. Okay, this is the screen of the password, and just create new database. You see, it is a file, database file to store your password offline. Database dot this. So just remember where you store the database file, so you can make it secure by uploading it to your Google Drive or something else, somewhere else. The master password. This is the only password you needed to remember. Just make it complicated and remember it. Password and repeat password. Is weak. Are you sure you want to use the method? Yes. Database name. Okay. Okay. It comes. And then let's create the first password. Just right click, add entry. We were creating your key, yes. So let's name it as GPG password. GPG password. The password has been generated automatically. You see in this, and you can make it private by clicking this icon. Okay, so let's copy this password. This is random password, generated anytime, every time. Okay. Let's put password key. Okay, generating key. New key created. Okay, this is your key. You see your name, your email you just input before. So you can right click this, show key details. You can see your private key here. You can export the private key if you want to back up your key somewhere. You are about to export your private key. This is not your public key, so don't give it away. Make sure you keep it safe. Okay. This is the key file. Save it. So let's just have a look at it. This key. Let's open it. You can open it by your notebook. Just do this. You see, begin PGP private key block. This is your block. This is your beginning PGP public key block. This is a public key block. You see, just keep it safe. Okay, and let's just have a test. If I deleted, or let's say your hardware is broken, you lost this software and lost your key. Okay, just delete it. And then if you have backup your private key, you can just restore it easily. Just copy this block, copy, and open this software again, and import key from clipboard. You see your key is here. Come again, the name, the email. Okay, okay. Your key is here again. Click show key details. You see it come again easily. So you will see this is your private key, this is your public key. Okay. I will create another tutorial about how to encrypt your message, how to decrypt your message, how to send your message. Okay, I will put it on another tutorial. Okay, the next step is Linux install. As in my previous tutorial how to connect I2P network, I got some feedback that Linux system is recommended. So I will briefly introduce how to install the Linux system on your Windows computer. It will save you a lot of money because you don't have to purchase another independent computer to use Linux. Okay. Firstly, you need to install the vmware workstation player. You can search it on Google. This page, vmware workstation player. Download for free. Click here, go to download. There are two files for Linux, for Windows. So you can choose your computer system. If you are using Windows computer, you can choose this file. Okay. Then you can click it. Click the download button and install it. I have installed the player software, so I don't have to download it again. So let's just open it. This VMware workstation player. Okay, this is the screen, and then you will need to install the Linux system. I recommend the ubuntu desktop version. Let's see this. You can search this ubuntu desktop. On Google. You see, this is the download ubuntu desktop. And click here button, download button. You see, the .iso file is being downloaded. Okay, as I have downloaded before, so I don't have to do it again. Just stop it. So if you have downloaded this ISO file, you can begin to install it on your computer. Just click this button and choose the ISO file. You see, I have had this file, and just complete this .iso and just the next step. Just the next step. So you'll be able to install it very simply. Okay. After you have installed it, you can start the system on your Windows computer simply. Let's just check this. Starting. You see, this is a Linux system on my Windows computer, and I have installed VPN, the same VPN software on the system. And after these steps, uh, you can you can you can do the step to download the Tor browser, to configure it, and to browse the market URL. So you see, it's very simple. And there is note: enable Hyper-V function. By default, the Hyper-V function um, is disabled, so you need to enable Hyper-V function to install the uh, the VMware player. Okay, how to enable Hyper-V function? Just open the YouTube and search it. You will see there are many tutorials how to enable Hyper-V on Windows 11 or Windows 10. You see, just need to enable it to install uh, the VMware player. Okay, to make it working. So this is all. The tutorial this tutorial is ended. So if you have any question, you can leave comment, and remember, I will create another tutorial how to use the GPG software. If you have any interest, you may search it on under my profile later. Okay, thank you.